Guys, it's cartel in it. We're at Lady Smith right now. Yo, Salah, me day one of the trip. So exhausting. I'm tired. I just want to sleep. Like. We left my luggage at Captain Park. I don't have any luggage, I don't have any clothing. Kore kulit or very tense, so.
Soldier boy, I been it. Why me crack it? Why me roll? Why me crack that soldier boy? That Superman. Now why me crack that soldier? 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 Now what? Soldier boy, I been it. Why me crack it? Why me roll? Why me crack that soldier boy? That Superman. Now why me crack that soldier? 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 Now what? Soldier boy, been it.
Hello, Luggage, and welcome to my YouTube channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Nkibelo. My surname is Nkibelolesiba, and if you want to follow me on IG, please search for Nkibelolesiba. And if you are a new doll to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and join the gang. You are more than welcome. And if you're an audio this channel, thank you so much for the content. That's love and support. But subscribe. Hello, Luggage, and welcome to my first vacation vlog. It's the first day today. I'm not sure if this vlog I'm gonna separate it into 2 days because I'm gonna be in Durban, guys, for 2 days. Today's not really the first day. We're just gonna be traveling today and tomorrow morning, but tomorrow is actually the first day. Today's Wednesday, tomorrow is Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, and Sunday we're coming back. But I hope you're going to enjoy this vlog. I don't know what's happening with my my ring light is doing funny things, but you know what, I just wanted to introduce this vlog. My bag is ready. I'm gonna go downstairs. I'm gonna Uber to Captain Park, and when we arrive at Captain Park, we're gonna be with other people that I'm traveling with. We're gonna chill and wait for the transport to come and Rabaken. So let us go. Love you lots, guys. I hope you can enjoy this vlog, but don't forget to comment and subscribe, guys. Please subscribe. We are on the road to 900 subscribers, 1000 subscribers. Like, please, guys, log in. Kalokupa batho ke khale ke bata 1k subscribers and khare again. Guys, I'm waiting to Uber right now and go to Captain Park, and I'm waiting for the Uber to come. And again, I'm a little bit annoyed, but I'm still excited because I'm just like, wish I had a car, but it's fine. Again. We're at Lady Smith right now. Yo, Sarah, love me. Day 1 of the trip. So exhausting. I'm tired. I just want to sleep. Like, kuningi in Giwan, but yeah, I think we're like 3 hours or 2 hours away. Hopefully, see a fig. Yeah. Most are running the JC, the suitcase. It's like a comments. Quick on a special record JC because more what's no that's how. Look at our talk. Look at our escape. What name codes? Oh, Aku shoot content wa para JC. And ka mobile L. Nó kia này he. My way. And Danny. Yeah, Sarah love me guys. The taxi didn't want to get inside. Because it had like this is like on top of a hill. That's why the taxi was not able to get. Hello lots of lovies and welcome to Excuse Those Clothing here. I will explain as I have a story time. So we left my luggage at Captain Park. I don't have any luggage, I don't have any clothing. Kulit or very tense, so I need to go to Pick and Pay and go and shop. So it's day 2. We're going to Pick and Pay and go and shop. So kita wana plan. Channel, that's why I'm also looking for YouTube, that's why. So guys, we have finished shopping. I'm broke. I bought all the clothing and I'm with my friend Itumeti, and Just say hello, doll.
Hi, dolls. You know, when you go on a vacation and you just broke and you feel like, I've spent a lot of money.
So, but I want a tripod again. I didn't go to tripod. Go to tripod. So, I can get tripod in Yan. I think you create because you make space. Yeah, I think you look at a drawer. So guys, yeah, we're at Starbucks now. Rutimate is treating me for a nice drink. Yeah, she's treating me for a nice drink, and we're gonna go home.
Lift up your mood.
Nah. But I feel like I'm better today. Yesterday I was. Yesterday I was just not okay. Yesterday I was not okay because I was thinking too much. But it's fine. What can we do? I just hope my suitcase is safe. I really hope so, because to look at our suitcase, it's gonna be a mess if I lost it. So yeah, let me love and leave you guys.
Chamingao vitaminati. Kape mugwara wa jwele. Unyako iwa no runyaka le mugwera. Awo mugwera.
Sorry. Guys, we are at the beach and it's looking so nice. We are at the beach right now. It's still the second day of... Is it the first day, I would say? I think it's the second day of Durban trip because it's Friday today and we arrived on Thursday yesterday. So yeah, I got some clothing, guys. I made a plan to buy some stuff. This t-shirt I got it at Pick and Pay Clothing, and I also got some stuff from other places. So yeah, I hope you can hear me, but we are at the beach right now. Enjoy yourself. Go Durban. Why are you going to Durban? Are you Durban?